In this presentation, I will share very important points about nuclear radiations. Nuclear radiations are very dangerous energy radiations which are emitted from unstable heavy elements which are known as radioactive elements. Some of these radioactive elements are naturally available and some are created artificially. The spontaneous emission of nuclear radiations from radioactive elements is called radioactive decay process. Radioactive decay process is entirely dependent on the law of chance. Lifetime of a radioactive sample is infinite. Radioactive decay process can neither be accelerated nor can be deaccelerated. Radioactive decay process is independent of external conditions like temperature and pressure. Speed of radioactive decay process from a radioactive sample depends on the amount of sample. Larger the amount of radioactive sample, more is speed of emission of nuclear radiations. A parent radioactive atom decays to give an atom which is also radioactive, which further decays into nuclear radiations and a new product is formed. This successive radioactive decay process continues until a non-radioactive atom is obtained. Three types of nuclear radiations are emitted from a radioactive substance, and these are popularly known as alpha radiations or alpha rays, beta radiations or beta rays, gamma radiations or gamma rays. An alpha ray is a stream of fast moving particles known as alpha particles. What is an alpha particle? An alpha particle is nothing but nucleus of helium atom. At the time of their emission from a radioactive sample, velocity of alpha particle ranges from 1.4 into 10 to the power 7 to 2.3 into 10 to the power 7 meter per second. A beta ray is a stream of fast moving particles known as beta particles. A beta particle is nothing but an electron. At the time of their emission from a radioactive sample, velocity of beta particles ranges from 1% to 99% of velocity of light. A gamma ray is a stream of fast moving small packets of energy. A moving packet of energy is called a photon. Gamma rays are electromagnetic in nature. At the time of their emission from a radioactive sample, velocity of gamma photons is same as the velocity of light. The distance traveled by nuclear radiation particles in a medium before their energy becomes ineffective to ionize the medium atoms is called a range of nuclear radiation particles. The range of nuclear radiation particles depends on radioactive element from which the particles are emitted, nature of the medium through which the particles travel, velocity with which the particles are emitted from the radioactive element. Nuclear radiations can easily penetrate a material and destroy it by ionization of atoms of the material. Ionization means conversion of material atoms into ions. Among all the three types of nuclear radiations, alpha rays have highest ionizing power. Ionizing power of beta rays is about 1/100th the ionizing power of alpha rays. Ionizing power of gamma rays is about 1/100th the ionizing power of beta rays. Too much exposure of human body to the nuclear radiations can lead to very dangerous incurable diseases like cancer and even death can occur. It happens due to the reason that structure of biological cells in human body gets destroyed due to ionization by nuclear radiations. Humans and other living creatures can be saved from nuclear radiations by adopting some preventive measures. First point is avoid exposure to nuclear radiations from radioactive materials. Radioactive materials should be properly shielded from its surrounding. Nuclear radiations absorbing material should be quickly sprayed if nuclear radiations are detected somewhere. Use of nuclear weapons should be avoided. Thank you.